Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Subaru Crosstrek oil light. This is a common task after an oil change, and it's important to do it correctly. You don't need any special equipment, just a few minutes of your time. We'll walk through each step clearly, ensuring you can easily turn off that reminder light yourself. Let's get started and get that light off your dashboard. First, get into your Subaru Crosstrek and turn the ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine, just turn the key until the dashboard lights up. Next, you'll use the info button, usually found on your steering wheel, to cycle through the multi-function display. Keep pressing it until you find the screen that shows your maintenance information, often indicating the oil life or next service due. Once you're on the maintenance screen, press and hold the info button for a few seconds. You'll notice the display for the oil maintenance light will start to flash, indicating it's ready for a reset. Release the button once it starts flashing. Then, immediately press and hold the info button one more time. This second press and hold action confirms the reset, and the light should then turn off. After completing the reset, turn your ignition off and then back on to confirm the oil maintenance light is no longer illuminated. If it's still on, simply repeat the steps from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get the timing just right. For more helpful tips and to upgrade your home tech, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.